Alright, so we're pretty much going to be doing my third stash update. So let's get started. Over here we have a full case of the 36-shot Trump. We have 2 cases of the 2020 Death Shells. They are what they are, but the case price on them was really good, so went ahead and picked up 2 cases of them. In here we have a sleeve of these, a couple other shells, one of these, we have one of these tubes, a Roman candle, some of these, in here we have 2 63-shot cakes, got a 100-shot cake right here, back there we have 2 boxes or bins with some really nice color shells. We have a MFD cake, a FSF Top Secret 16-shot 200 gram. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my third stash update. Probably going to be doing one more stash update. That'll probably be the final one, and that will probably be next week sometime, or probably the week after the video will come out, but I'm not sure yet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Comment, like, subscribe. Definitely gonna be doing some demos soon and putting them on the channel before the 4th, so stay tuned for that. So anyways guys, thanks for watching.